the age of digital entrepreneurship, the allure of making money online is undeniable, and Facebook, the social media giant, offers various opportunities for those willing to explore its potential. Today, we will guide you through how to make money on Facebook, a platform bustling with over 2 billion active users. To start, consider entering the world of Facebook Marketplace. It's a straightforward way to sell products without the overhead of traditional e-commerce. Take a moment to reflect on items you no longer need or even crafts and homemade creations. With no listing fees, it's a zero-cost channel that allows you to reach potential buyers in your local area effortlessly. Always present each item appealingly, use clear and attractive photos, and be diligent in maintaining transparent communication with potential buyers. This builds trust and enhances your chances of making a sale. Next, let's delve into the realm of Facebook pages. Establishing a niche page allows you to grow a community of engaged followers. Consistent quality content attracts viewers, turning them into loyal fans. Once you have a substantial following, you can monetize through sponsored posts. Brands are willing to pay for exposure to your audience, so collaboration could provide a steady income stream if it aligns with your page's theme. Coupled with this, you may also consider Facebook's ad breaks. This feature allows you to insert short advertisements into your videos, earning a share of the revenue generated. For those with an entrepreneurial spirit, investing time in Facebook groups is another rewarding avenue. Create a group with a focused topic, becoming a go-to community hub. As the group grows, you can offer premium content or services for a fee. Whether you're providing expert advice, exclusive products, or organizing online workshops, groups offer a platform to transform members' interest into earnings. Additionally, leveraging affiliate marketing within your network can be profitable. Share products or services on your timeline, enticing your audience with personalized reviews or testimonials. When someone makes a purchase using your affiliate link, you earn a commission. This strategy complements both Facebook pages and personal profiles, ensuring you make the most of your online presence. While exploring these options, be sure to adhere to Facebook's community standards and commerce policies. Maintaining integrity and transparency is crucial to sustaining a reputable online business persona. Always respect the platform's guidelines to avoid potential pitfalls or account suspension. In conclusion, Facebook offers a versatile landscape for income generation, fitting various talents and interests. Whether you're selling directly on Marketplace, growing an influence page, nurturing a group, or engaging in affiliate marketing, opportunities are abundant. Commit to understanding your chosen method thoroughly, interact authentically with your audience, and remain patient as you cultivate your digital venture. As with any business, success requires dedication, but with Facebook, the potential for growth and profit is at your fingertips. Now, it's up to you to harness these opportunities and transform your Facebook presence into a profitable endeavor. Join us now and take the first step towards financial freedom. Click the link in the description to reserve your spot today. Don't let this opportunity pass you by. Your journey to a brighter, wealthier future starts right now. Click the link in the description for more info.